Welcome to this tutorial on generating videos from text using AI. In this video, we'll take you through the steps you need to follow to create your own animated videos effortlessly. Whether you're new to AI or an experienced user, you'll find the information in this video.
Hey everyone, today I want to introduce you to a brand new tool that I think you'll find really interesting. It's an AI avatar generator that allows you to create custom avatars quickly and easily. Let's start the video. First of all, open Google, type Artflow, and open the official website appartflow.ai. Now click on the Try Now button. Create a free account using your Gmail. After verifying the email, click on Continue to Artflow. Now here you have two options. First, you can upload your own picture. Second, you can generate an AI avatar using a different prompt. I am using option number 2. Click on Image Studio, then click on Image Studio Beta. Use content type presets to quickly generate specific types of content, such as portraits, interiors, or exteriors for avatar. Select Portraits mod, type anything in the prompt section. I am using this prompt. Animated movie about Rosalind Franklin made by Pixar. Then click on Flow button. This tool will generate 4 different images. You can change its settings according to your requirements. Our first step is done. Now on the left side menu, click on Video Studio. In Scene section, select background images for the AI avatar. Now click on the Character section and select your AI-generated avatar. We created in step 1. Here you can adjust your avatar position, remove your background, and do the best settings. Now move to the dialogue section, where you can select different voices or upload your own voice. Type your script and select a voice.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Saeed Ai. In today's video, we're going to explore the latest advancements in artificial intelligence and how they are transforming our world.
Now move to our last section called Effect. You can select any effect for your video. After that, finally, click on the Export button and wait for the rendering process. AI can help businesses become more competitive, efficient, and successful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Saeed Ai. In today's video, we're going to explore the latest advancements in artificial intelligence and how they are transforming our world.